24 years old now, Okada rider. Some people don't know wetin they call this word called do. They don't catch this one now. He carry juju. They say na that juju they use, they kiki people, they turn some people to mad people. My people, no be small matter. According to the news wey reach me, they say this boy, he don't start the key since wey dey 17 years. 17. Even when he be 18 years, they say he kill one guy because of girl. Even they threaten him mama. He dey tell him mama say, I will kill this person, and he go do am. You know how many people this boy don't turn to mad? How many people he don't kill? How many people they under bondage? Many things. This one now, they don't catch her red-handed. Now I bring the matter on the side. So for now, we don't know how the boy look like. Una we never see Juju Percy before. Abeg join me, make we watch the video.
Okay, go ahead. Accusation. Tell them Abia. Bia biko eh. We no deba.
They obele nwa 24 years. Where da ogwu. Agwo di kosin ni mmare. Mando na enye nsi. Mando na akala. Obe nwere ife nwere isi ọ na-eme Okada ka ọ na-agba bike man. I nwere ike isi dibe ya mee ka ijebe obodo oyibo na-abata.
I go ask again. How person wey no get money fit give you money? How? And I go continue to dey ask this thing until una head open. Why una dey deceive una self? They go look for money for person. See, and all of them even they dirty. No, una just see this guy. He look like wetin go soon disappear. See who they do juju. Be like say una no know devil. Una no know the way devil they operate. Now why una still they even look for who? Hi. Devil go blind you, eh? It go blend you in a way. See, even if your eye white pass for this world, you still no go see road. And so devil they walk. And you no go know. People go even they advise you this one. See am. On top of the fact say they even catch am. If they do face like who no even send people. Say, hey, what are you going to do? Chineke. They even talk am. Heart of men. Desperately wicked. Nobody feel no heart of men. Some of them say go they greet you, they smile with you. Behind your back, they don't already they plan your downfall. Many wicked people everywhere. I'm not just understand. 17 years, this boy don't start a key. What even they do for 17 years? What are they doing? When are they 17? That time, say even okay. Now that time I even started a date. You understand? I bet see my people forget my matter. 24 years. You know, see this guy. I get serious problem with this guy. You be 17 when you start this thing. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. For 8 years, this boy don't. You know how many people go don't die. And the ones way up till now, they even they bondage, where they never release them. The ones where they mad, they walk out for streets. For hi Jesus. You know look for a job. All these years by now, assuming if you they work since that 17, since you say you no go and go school, assuming na work you they work by now, you for don't become better person. You they do juju. Juju wey no even fit give you money make you change your jeans. See how your jeans trousers be like who don't already join mad people squad. You they do juju. Now you no get you no even get power to change your life. You no get power to make yourself look good, to come out of poverty, but you get power to turn people to. You no go change your miserable life. You they do some people matter. I not just understand that. Nonsense power where you carry. You never even feel your corona. You no fit remove Buhari for that seat. Abi by people because now waiting we they look for. You no remove Buhari for that seat. You no cure corona. You no remove yourself and your family come out for poverty. So waiting be the power where they talk say you do this. Now to they kill people. My brother, you are lost. You are seriously lost. I'm telling you, you are, in fact, you are far from lost, safe. I beg. I don't just understand. Your mates, this guy mates, they abroad. They study IT. Something they learn how to read space, how to, you understand? How to invent things, how to this one. See am. You say na for Nigeria you won't die. You no even dey bothered. See as in face be. I don't just know where will they bring this kind. See, now why people they fear to go village? Now why people no wan go village now? Because they know say they don't plenty for that side. So if you go sef, that same night when you reach there, you fit just die. Chineke. Abeg my people, how many people will they run from? How many people will they run from? Because I don't tire. Politicians, will they run from politicians? Will they run from uniform people? Will they run from kidnappers? Will they run from headsmen? Juju people again. Abeg, who will offend? Hey, Jesus Christ. See, anything wey they wan do with this guy, abeg make they do am. You understand? Make they do am. I no get strength and I no even get the time. Make they do anything wey they wan do to this guy. You understand? Na dem know. Because this malice, hatred and many bad things, e dey happen now because all these people know say last they go forgive them. And there's still plenty out there. No be because we just catch this one. There's still plenty. Forget am. Leave matter for Matthias. They plenty for them. And as they don't hear say they catch this one, they go just slow down for a while. You understand? Because they know say the matter they on top their head. After, you go see they go come again. Now only God go protect us. Now why I always they tell you now? No forget to they pray. You understand? Because if you they pray, they no even fit see your head. You understand? They no fit see your head. It is very important. Like my daddy go they tell me, he go say, what did they call that thing? Fly no fit stand for hot stove. You no fit because you know say you go die. It's too hot. If you dey prayerful, they no fit see you. Because you go there too hot for them to even touch you. Now people wey know they now why they use some people? If you know they pray, if you just dey there, you go out, you come in, it go just they happen to you. They no fit catch some of us. We know wetin we carry. You understand? Now God dey with us. We forget small girl like me. I get big God behind me. It's very important. I beg my people, make una dey pray every time before you come out for house. Even when you come back from house, no forget una always need to always dey talk to God. It dey very important because the life wey we dey live now, this world without God, una no go survive am. Na my advice be that. Yes, and I wan know wetin una think concerning this matter. Drop am for the comment section. No forget to share this video, make it go viral because people need know wetin dey happen now so that they go dey alert and they go dey careful. I love you guys. See you later.